Welcome back to Glory Homemaker. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I'll be making a quick jollof rice. Quick, delicious, and tasty. Let's get cooking. First, I dice the sausages into round shapes like this. Next, I place a dry pan on heat, adding vegetable oil. The oil is hot enough. I introduce the sausages and I'll fry for 5 minutes. As we wait for the sausages to fry, we'll prep the tomatoes and bell peppers. I remove the seeds of the bell peppers before blending. The seeds will give it a bitter taste. I blend the tomatoes and peppers. The sausages are well fried now. I'll have to take it off. The sausages flavor the oil. Now I add in onions to add more flavor. Stir fry for a minute. I add in the blended tomatoes and peppers. I mix it in. I'll cover this to cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the tomato is dry, the water is dried. You can see the oil sizzling on top. So I stir it in. I season this with chicken seasoning, curry powder, paprika powder, thyme leaves, and black chili pepper. I add in bay leaves and I stir them in. I add in a little salt. Be careful with your salt so that you don't overdo it. I stir in. I fry this for extra 2 minutes. Now I introduce the parboiled rice. I introduce the rice first before adding the water so that I'll know the exact quantity of water to add. I'll add in water with the same level of the rice. To get your perfect jollof rice, the water should be at the same level with your parboiled rice. And I mix it in well. Mix it in properly so that all the ingredients will meet each other. I'll taste for the salt and seasoning. I have to adjust my salt. I turn it in to go in evenly. You might need to adjust yours if need be. Either adjust your salt or your seasoning. I cover to cook till when it's almost dry before getting back to it. This has been cooking for 10 minutes on medium heat. The water is almost gone. You can see just a little more moisture. So now we'll add in the green peppers. Very important. Please don't skip this part. The spring onions and the fried sausages. I mix it all in together nicely. Our jollof rice is almost ready. The green pepper and the spring onions adds a special flavor and taste to this jollof rice. So we are going to cover it now. Cover for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, and I give it the final stir before taking it off from the heat. Please subscribe to my channel to support me. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much. You can replicate this same process I bet you're going to like it. Let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. You can serve this rice with any protein of your choice or have it as it is. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.